Hi everyone, welcome back to the JC Photography Mallorca channel. So following the feedback on my recent video on top 5 couple poses, I'm excited to announce that I'll be doing a series all based on romantic photography. So today we're going to be going over the top 10 poses to capture flawless honeymoon photos. So let's get started. So let's start with the surf's embrace. Have the couple lean in towards each other, gradually closing the gap with their lips. And just as they're about to kiss, let the waves wash over their ankles and their feet to capture this moment. Next pose is the barefoot stroll along the waterline. Take off your shoes and enjoy a leisurely barefoot stroll along the waterline. Hold hands and look into each other's eyes and let the waves be your backdrop. Pose number 3 is the dip kiss. With this pose, you can channel your inner movie star with the classic dip kiss. This pose is perfect to capture just as the waves are coming in the background. Pose number 4 is the beachside bliss. Set up a cozy beachside picnic with snacks and a blanket. And this is great for capturing the joy shared with your loved ones on this beachside landscape. Next is footprints in the sand. Leave your footprints in the sand together, and this will capture the moment when your paths cross. It's a symbolic and romantic pose that signifies your journey together as a couple. Next is the sunset hold hand in hand. Embrace the golden hour with the classic hand in hand pose as you walk on the beach at sunset. Next is the beachfront dance. Dancing on the beach is incredibly romantic. In this pose, you can capture the grace and passion in this beachfront dance. And whether it's a slow waltz or a spontaneous twirl, you can capture such emotion with this pose. Next is the seashell collection. Collect a memorable moment as you and your partner collect seashells together. And I'll show you how doing this activity can look utterly charming and romantic. Next is running into the waves. Get playful and adventurous by running into the waves together. And with the couple that you're working with, you can capture the sheer joy and spontaneousness of this pose. And now for the grand finale, the incredibly romantic kiss in the sea pose. Step into the gentle waves, embrace, and share a passionate kiss together as the sea surrounds you. And this can become a truly unforgettable moment. And there you have it, the top 10 honeymoon romantic beach poses for an unforgettable photo shoot. I hope you're excited as I am to capture these beautiful memories together. And if you found these tips helpful and you want more inspiring photography tips and techniques, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more photography content, and hit the like so I know you like videos like this, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when my next video drops. And also, if you've tried any of these poses or you have your own magical beach moments that you would like to share, please share them in the comments below, or you can contact me on my Instagram at jcphotographymallorca, and we can talk about the poses that you've done and share some ideas together. And remember, every love story is unique and it's worth capturing in all its beauty. And until next time, keep cherishing them special moments and keep clicking and keep creating. Bye for now.